The open beta version of Call of Duty Mobile just released in a few select countries, like India. This tutorial will show you how to install and play Call of Duty Mobile from any country in the world. There are several ways to complete this process, and I'll show you the easiest one, but this one requires a computer. Let's get started. First, you'll need to download the Call of Duty Mobile APK file on your Android device, and I'll have all the download links in the description box below. Once it's done downloading, open the file. Depending on your Android version, you may get prompted to turn on apps from unknown sources. Do it. Now press install. Now go over to your computer. You can use a Windows or Mac. I'm using a Mac, but the process is the same. I'll now download the Call of Duty Mobile OBB file. This is a huge file, so be patient. We'll basically need to extract the folder into the OBB folder of your Android device. I'll show you how to do this. Once it's done, extract the file. You should see a folder with a OBB file inside of it. Now connect your Android device to your computer. We'll transfer the OBB folder into the Android. You may need to switch the USB setting to file transfer on your Android. If you do not see this option, or you cannot access your Android device on your computer, I'll have a help guide linked in the description box below. Now we'll open the Android folder and open the OBB folder. We'll drag and drop the Call of Duty OBB folder into the OBB folder of your Android device. And that's it. Now we'll disconnect the phone from the computer, and you'll need to download Power VPN. It's available in the Play Store. Open Power VPN. You could deny all permissions. It will still work. I'm not sure why it's requesting so many permissions, but I tried a few VPNs and this was the only one that worked. Now change the region to India. And connect.
$4,000, I want to be like, hey phone, show me.
Now we could run Call of Duty Mobile. That's it. I hope this video helped you out. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks.